So my name is Michelle Johnson. I work at Mercy Health Center here in Athens. I've been here for 2 years, and our mission is to provide quality whole person health care in a Christ-centered environment through the amazing volunteers that we have here, and we do it so that we can help our neighbors here in Athens, Clark County, and the 5 surrounding counties. This partnership goes back many years, and we're so grateful for the prayers. But specifically, there's been volunteer meals that the church has provided, and we're so grateful for that. Over the years also, we've had hygiene kits that have been provided for our patients, and those are, if you think of go bags or what you would see with the shampoo and the toothpaste and the toothbrushes, and there's been times where we've had gift card donations come in, and that's been really wonderful for those that have transportation issues, such as just trying to get back and forth to appointments. But also, you guys have helped with bus passes in the past as well, so they've been inside the hygiene kits, and it's been great. We've been very, very grateful. But probably the most thing that has been coveted and so grateful for in the partnerships between the two ministries is just prayer for us. I have been contacted many times over the last 6 months, what can we do for you? And aside from feeding the staff, because we were working independently, but prayers to get us through each day, prayers for just a fortitude in which to have the strength when sometimes mission exhaustion happens. So other than the things that I just mentioned about keeping the staff truly strong in our faith, but making sure those gift cards help the patients get to and from their appointments. If it wasn't for that, money is very tight pre-COVID, but also now, or even then, it was hard for them to get to those appointments, because we have partnerships outside of 316 sometimes, and the gift cards have been absolutely wonderful for that. Food instability has been hard for our patients, so the Kroger gift cards have been great. Let's see, what else can I say about that? The Meals for Mercy, because our volunteers are a lot of college students and then doctors who've come from working their whole day, so having a wonderful hot meal when they come in and work with our patients has just been wonderful. You should see the smiles. It's wonderful to see. As a mother myself, the college students go back and get seconds, so I like to feed people too, not just in spirit, but in nourishing people. So it's really nice to see their grins. They're like, ooh. At Mercy, we have a saying, through mercy moves eternal hope, and mercy moves through me. And to describe God, mercy is like the first thing that truly comes to mind, and it's one of his truly greatest gifts. And we see that the partnerships with our patients are just experiencing that love of Christ through the collaborations with many people in the community, but especially with the churches that we have here. It's it's in our mission statement to provide all of this through Christ, as he would want us to do for him. It was his first mission for us, So, without that community help, we would not be able to truly love on our patients, and our clients, or however you want to describe them, or even the volunteers. Love truly does build a community when you're able to provide it in a way that God has loved us. Thank you so much for all that you've done in the past, and know that it's all been for good. We are just grateful in many ways of the partnerships that we have, and just being able to equip ourselves with the love of Christ so that we can provide that for our neighbors is just the most important thing. You really don't have to look far around when you come into our building to see the gift of time or of self or service. Financial gifts are great too. I can't say that as a director without mentioning that. It is truly what helps us provide, but prayer among all things, it is our biggest asset that we have here, is to stay within the Christ principles that He gave to us. But we have many needs in our community. Love is one, and service is another. But to say thank you is probably the biggest thing.